Tuesley Hall Canopa.
Buy-sell agreement, as the name implies, it involves buying and selling of membership interests or stock in a company. What most business owners think of when they think of a buy-sell agreement is generally dealing with what's going to happen to my stock if I die. Buy-sell agreements can cover quite a bit more than that. Typically they should cover at least death, disability, voluntary withdrawal, involuntary withdrawal, which would be essentially bankruptcy or divorce, and potentially termination of employment. Those are the typical buy-sell triggering events, and for each one of those things, it should address what's going to happen. Is it going to be a mandatory purchase or sale of stock? Is it going to be a discretionary purchase or sale of stock? How's the price going to be determined, and what are the payment terms going to be? In addition to that, there are a number of other things that can be covered in a buy-sell agreement and that business owners probably want to at least consider covering, and that could include management provisions, maybe high voting requirements for some particular actions to be taken. One of the fundamental reasons to have a buy-sell agreement is to help provide for continuity in the management of the company, but also to provide for continuity in the ownership of the company. So one of the first things you can do to begin to go down the path of getting a buy-sell agreement in place is to think about the value. What is the value of the company for our internal market? That's you and the other business owners. This isn't a formal valuation of what a third party would pay for the company. This isn't a formal valuation as to what the stock might be worth on a stock market. This is what would one of us be willing to pay another one of us for the ownership in the company. A buy-sell agreement is a critical component of your business succession and continuity planning. It fills a number of roles. It's a contract among the owners and obligates the owners to a particular plan. It's a document that you should put in place early in the life of the company and then periodically revisit as the company continues to grow. Circumstances will change, people will change. You need to have that document be reasonably up to date at all times.
Tuesley Hall Canopa.